Good morning to everyone. This is our science investigation by Group 6.
I'm Janovich C. Santos. I'm Ian Arteta.
I'm Justine A. Sandukan. I'm James Carl G. Yap. Good morning to everyone. My name is Raven R. Santillana. I'm assigned to prepare the materials that we have to use in our science investigation. First, hot water, cold water, powder juice, teaspoon, cup, measuring cup, 1/2 measuring cup, masking tape. Good morning to everyone. By the way, my name is Lady Krul. I assigned to identify the dependent and independent variables. The dependent variables is the amount of powder juice that is completely dissolved in water, and the dependent variable is the temperature of the water measured in degrees centigrade. Good morning to everyone. By the way, my name is Jacqueline and my name is Jana Bergui Ramos. The process is how is the coffee or powder juice dissolved in water, in hot water and cold water.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Martha Esubita, and our hypothesis is maybe the powder juice in hot water dissolves faster because it has a high temperature, while the powder juice in cold water is not because it has a low temperature.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bose. Good morning to everyone. My name is Melody Subika and I'm assigned to the procedure. First step, we have to measure the amount of water and the amount of powder juice. This cup A represents the hot water, and after that we have to pour it. Yan, okay lang. Naglalaro ka na. Then lang to stir it.
Pakita mo taas mo.
Then, the cold water too. Then, as we do in cup A. Stir it again. And this is and we have to wait it for a while. We have to wait it for a while until until the powder juice is dissolved. Ate, wait. That's my Kopi ang ano? Kopi lang.
One, two. Melody, ano yun muna? Focus mo na kami.
Observation niya eh.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Observation. The cup A, the powder juice in cup A is completely dissolved because of the temperature of the water. And you will see the color of the powder juice in cup A is darker than the cup B. Then in cup B, the powder juice in cup B is not at all dissolved because the temperature of the water is low because it is a cold water.
Marami. Gagasin mo makita.
Okay lang yan. Yes na yung
everyone. My name is Kimberly Bibilado. Conclusion. Therefore, I conclude that the powder juice in cup A is completely dissolved in water than the cup B because of its temperature and stirring, and the temperature of hot and cold water affects the solubility of powder juice.